Hi guys, so as promised I wanted to come on camera and show you how to install my full lace wig sew-in. So it's Friday, today is my birthday, but most importantly it is time to install this full lace sew-in. So I know a lot of you may have been like, that looks cool when I was showing pictures, but what is it? It looks too small to be a wig. So I knew I had to come on and to show you exactly how to install this. So what I've done already is obviously I've made the wig. I've also sealed the knots, and I put some of my powder makeup inside to conceal the knots with the big brush like this. And basically what I did was just put the powder and pat it into the knots this way. And this is what I do instead of bleaching the knots. So the results are something like this. You can't really see the knots at all. So I'm gonna install this. All you're gonna need is maybe a few clips and a needle and thread. I use nylon thread, and I've already threaded it, and I just have like an arm's width. You just need one. You can use two to make it go faster, but I don't need to go fast for when I'm at home. So I'm just gonna use one. Like I said, you may need some clips just to clip back the hair. And I have already parted the wig exactly where I want my part to be as well. And it's just gonna help me line it up good. So I've parted the wig right in the middle of the front. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. And I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna be looking into the mirror sometime like that. So first let me take this wig off. And this was my 360 wig that I made some time ago with my virgin Indian hair. That's what the inside looks like, just in case you're wondering. So I'm just going to put this to the side and take this off. So yesterday I went to the salon. I work at Beauty Nest sometimes, and one of the girls named Kia, she's excellent at doing sew-ins, closures, frontals, wigs, color, cut, anything you need, girl. She's good at doing all that. She did my braid down for me. So basically the braid down for this is just to have a perimeter braid. So if you can see that little braid, and I have two. So I have one starting from here and it goes around, and then the other one's from here. And the important thing about that is that it's small and that it's like more towards your part. Okay, so I have my hair braided down. And so what I'm gonna do is put the wig on my head. And like I said, I have it parted already, so I'm just gonna line up my part. I have my braid this way as well because I know that I usually wear center part. So I may switch up the part, and you absolutely can, but for the majority of the time I wear center part. That's just my style. So as you can see, the edge of the lace and where my braids and my leave out start, I'm actually going to place the wig like right here instead of right on the line. So I'm gonna put it above where the line is, like that. And then I'm just gonna take a small little clip and clip it into place. And then now I can pull back the edge of the wig. I'm just gonna pull back the edges of the front so I can see what I'm doing. I'm not gonna worry about the back right now. Okay. So there's my braid, and here's the edge of the wig. So all I'm gonna do, guys, it's super duper easy, is sew underneath the lace and attach it to the braid. So I'm gonna start at my ear, well, a little bit in front of my ear, right here. And I'm just gonna go under my braid. So anyway, all I did was bring the needle and I put it through almost to where the end of the lace is. As you can see, it's not quite there. And so I'm just going to pull this down and then pull the thread. And all I'm gonna do is keep sewing under and then under my braid and then under the lace, under my braid, under the lace, under my braid, until I get to the front. Okay, and so I've done one side. I'm pulling this thread because it's going to be pulled to the other side. But as you can see, it's like completely sewn on. And even at this point, the part looks pretty good. So I'm just going to continue to go to the other ear. Okay, I'm back. I sewed the entire front down, as you can see. But anyway, now we gotta finish sewing the rest of the wig on. So if you remember, I sewed it from about here to here. So now I'm gonna start from here and pull it, and sew it around the back. And when I pull it like this, as you can see, this part automatically got a little tighter too. So that's what we need to do. So I'm just gonna separate my hair from the wig. I'm gonna start where I left off, under my braid. Okay, and then I'm going to go again under the lace. And as you get to the back, you don't have to really focus on going under the lace. You can just sew it on. But anyway, when I do that, I'm just going to pull it flat. got all that sewed on, and that's it. Told you that was super easy. And of course, like, you can move your hair around. All of your leave out should be covering any lace that could possibly be showing. You can put it up. You can do like a half up, half down thing, like this. You can always put it all the way up. Hopefully the back looks okay, because I haven't seen the back. I didn't even flat iron my hair in the back, so yeah, it's just blow dried. But this is what the up looks like. Hopefully it looks okay. Have my center. And as always, I love, this is my virgin Indian hair from my supplier. I absolutely love it. Even with my hair not completely like flat ironed and soaked out and everything, it still pretty much matches my hair. Like, this hair is so like natural and frizzy, and it matches my real hair really good. So I love it. And so that's my middle part. And yeah, that's it. That's how you install the full lace wig sew-in. It doesn't take as long to make as a full lace wig. You don't have to worry about a hairline and everything like that, which can be the most tedious part of making a wig or a closure or a frontal. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this, and I hope everyone has a great weekend. Happy birthday to me. I'll see you guys later. Bye.